Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Raifa Arila Alpardani. This time, I was telling about how to serve instant noodles. As for the material we need is instant noodles, egg, chili, and 2,5 cups water. The equipment we need is ladle, saucepan, and stove. And the step on how to make it is: first, heat 2,5 cups of water in a saucepan over high heat. And then add the instant noodles, boil for 3 minutes. After that, add the egg into noodle. Boil for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, pour the seasoning oil and chili powder into noodle and mix well. The last, pour the cooked noodle in the bowl. And the noodles are ready to serve.